Use any of the appropriate properties for exponents to simplify the expressions. Your answer should only contain positive exponents. In this first example, 3x to the negative 2 all raised to the negative 1, let's take care of the outside negative exponent first. A negative exponent indicates that you'll have a reciprocal. 1 over 3x raised to the negative 2. Now we can deal with this negative exponent, which again is a reciprocal. But before we do that, let's make sure that these parentheses aren't doing anything. They're holding everything here, but there's no multiplying on the outside, there's no exponents on the outside, so we can just write this as 3x to the negative 2. Now how do we deal with this base raised to a negative exponent? Is to do the reciprocal and write your x squared on top with the 3 still in the denominator. This is as simple as this answer can get. Our next example, 2a divided by b squared is all raised to the third power. We have a couple of options here. One, we can write out what this means. It's 2a divided by b squared multiplied by 2a divided by b squared multiplied to 2a divided by b squared. So we can write it 3 times and simplify that. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. A to the third power and b to the 6th. So be careful, when you have a power to a power you get to multiply exponents, but when you raise a number to a power you actually have to raise that number to a power. 2 to the third is 8.